In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put password in your PDF in Canva. If you've ever needed to share a design securely, adding a password to a PDF is a quick way to make sure only the right people can open it. I'll walk you through the exact clicks and explain what each option means, so you feel confident the first time you try it. Start by opening the Canva project you want to protect. Make sure your design looks the way you want, because the exported PDF will reflect exactly what you see on the canvas. When you're ready, look to the top of the page and select the Share button. This opens Canva's sharing options. From here, choose Download. That tells Canva you want a file saved to your device instead of a shareable link. In the Download panel, you'll see a File Type option. Click that and change it to PDF. You may see choices like PDF Standard and PDF Print. PDF Standard is great for everyday sharing and smaller file sizes, while PDF Print preserves higher quality for printing and may result in a larger file. Pick the one that best matches how you plan to use the document, keeping in mind that the password protection works the same either way. Once you've set the file type to PDF, look for the checkbox that enables password protection. It might read something like Protect with Password. Click that checkbox to turn it on. As soon as you do, a password field appears. Click into that field to set your password. Choose something memorable to you, but hard for others to guess. Avoid easily searchable details or simple sequences. A mix of letters, numbers, and symbols typically gives better security. If Canva shows you a strength indicator, use it as a quick guide to improve your choice. After typing your password, double-check for typos. Remember, this password will be required every time someone tries to open the PDF, so keep it somewhere safe and share it only with the people who need access. It's a good idea to send the password through a different channel than the file itself for added safety. With the password set and your PDF type selected, go ahead and proceed with your download. Canva will process the file and save it to your device. That's all there is to it. The next time the PDF is opened, the viewer will be prompted to enter the password before they can see its contents. You've successfully protected your PDF using Canva, keeping your work both polished and secure.